Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. We are doing our Dollar General 5 off 25 scenario. Free for you, so let's go. Okay, so here's the Walters fruit snacks. Up here you can either get 3 for $1 or buy 2 and get them for 38 cents a piece, and then use those as the rest of it as overage. Okay, so that's our first thing. We're gonna grab the overage deal. And next we're looking for the Gillette shave cream. Okay, here is that's how you guys don't grab it. Okay, they do not have the Gillette shave cream, so I'm going to show you a picture of it because it still is a good deal. You're going to grab 3 of these Pantene travels at $1.50 a piece, then which takes you to $4.50, but the 5 off 3 is working for that, so this going to give you over. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture of the Tresemme hair mask because I do not see it. I'm going to grab 1 Gain Essential, and that is right here. Let's grab 2 Gain dryer sheets at $2 a piece. And then 1 Tide Simply at $6.95, and the $2 off coupon is attached to it. Okay, so your first haul, you're going to clip your 5 off 25 right here. Clip your 5 off 25. Then you're going to use $1 digital off the Welchers. That's $1 digital. And then you're going to use 1 paper. 1 paper digital Welchers, which came out of the Smart Source. Which came out of the Smart Source 1018. Okay. Then this Tide right here attaches to this oxy, okay? Then your Gain dryer sheets, you're going to grab 2 boxes of these. Use 2 of these. 2. Not 1, 2. They come up free. This is the buy one get one free Gillette shave cream. It's buy one get one free at $1.85. Then you got a 50 cent off that one also. So they don't have it, but that's the coupon. It's 2 buy one get one free, then a 50 cent off. Okay, then you got the 3 Pantenes, 3 of these, and they are at 3.8 fluid ounces. They are $1.50 in the travel section. And this is the coupon that's attaching to it, okay? Okay, this $2 Gain right here is attaching to the essential oil, all right? Making it $1.95. Okay, in the travel section, the Tresemme mask is in the maroon and black pack. It's $2. This is attaching to it, making it free. And I will grab 2 of these. 2. Let me look for the coupon. Okay guys, you just gonna have to bear with me. It does attach. So once you get all of that, you should have this haul. You need 2 of these, 2. Then you'll have 3. You have that. Don't mind these as of yet. That's the next haul. Okay. Once you get all of that together, you should have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You should have 15 items. After all of that comes, it comes up to $28.46. Then after all the coupons come off, which is $24.35, you should have $4 and pay $4.11 before taxes. That is a good deal, guys. Perfect. Okay, guys, so here we go. We have the Overage, which is $1.65. These are $1.50. You're going to buy 2 of these. 2. Then you're going to get 1 of these, which is $8.50, but we have a $5 coupon. And that's the $5 coupon that goes with the $8.50 razors, okay? Then, of course, you have the Welchers with the digital coupon. They are 34 cents each. Or if you want to throw a second packing in to make it a filler, or if you want to do 4 like I did in the first transaction and get a lower out-of-pocket. And that's the Welchers coupon that goes with that. Okay, then we got the shave cream. You're going to buy 1, get 1 free. You're going to buy 2 shave creams. They're $1.85 a piece. You're going to get a free one. And then you're going to get 50 cents off the other one, okay? So you need 2 coupons, this one and that one. Okay, then you got your Snuggle. Snuggle is on sale for buy 2 get 1 free, and these are $4, $4.50 a piece. So if you buy those at buy 2 get 1 free at $4.50 a piece, then you be 1, 2, 3. This is the reason why I would pick up that other one, because you needed to eat up the rest of this, some of this down. Okay, so you get that. You're gonna use 2 of these, or guys, at your own risk, you can use the two of the $2 ones. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 of the $2 ones, but I'm showing you one that you could use. Retail me not 1018 if you want to do it the way you should, at your own risk. It's gonna take $4 off, then it's gonna take an extra $4 off again for me. And then we're gonna of course do the Pantene. These are the 3.3 ounces. They're $1.50 each out of the travel section. Let me show you the coupon. After you use this $5 off 3 coupon, that makes them free. Okay, let's go over all our stuff. You should have the Gillettes. You should have these, the Welcher, this, the Pantene, the Snuggle, and then you also should have the shave cream in there. You're gonna have two. Okay, so after you get all of that in there and take your 5 off of 25, the deal with I don't got all my coupons for it. I only got one with me. Shit. And then, this third and final haul is a all digital. So you see me, I am at home. We're gonna start off with, first of all, you need the 2 Welchers fruit snacks, and these you'll buy 2, they'll be at 34 cents each. If you want to buy 3, because it's gonna say 3 for $1. If you want to buy 3, you just will not get the overage. That's the only thing you will not get. Okay, so be careful about that. And then this is the coupon you'll be using, a digital, and that is the digital coupon that you'll be using for the Welchers. Okay, the next coupon we'll be using is the Pantene. They are the 3.8 fluid ounces. You saw me get those from the travel section. They are $1.50 each. You'll buy 3 of them, making that $4.50. But this is the coupon, the digital you'll be using. You'll be using this digital, which is 5 off 3 Pantenes. It does say not the travel size, but it works on it. Okay, so don't get there and panic. Okay, guys. The Big Tide $6.95, the one I showed, the one I showed you in the other video, that is the one. That's the Tide that's in the other scenarios. That's the Tide that's connecting to this. Okay, 1 Tide liquid detergent, 69 to 75 ounce or draft, excludes trial and travel size. It does not exclude out Tide Simply. So that Tide is connecting to that. The one for $6.95, making it $4.95. Okay, the Gillette shave cream is Gillette, and I could not find it. It is a buy 1 get 1 free. Okay, once you pick 2 of those up, you're gonna make sure this coupon is clipped. Then you're gonna make sure that 50% off coupon is clipped. Okay, so that will give you 2 of them for $1.35. Okay, the Gillette Sensor Razor that was in my cart, the 8 count, you will grab this clip this $5 coupon. That is clipping to that. Gillette Sensor 2. That's the one that's clipping. The one in the cart. I'm just showing you the coupon here. Next scenario we'll do is the Chic razors. And those are connecting. That Chic razor is $4.50. And it is connecting to the $3 razors. So you'll pay $1.50 for those. So after you grabbed all your coupons and everything, you will end up paying $28.83. After all of your coupons come off, which is $22.85, you will pay $5.48 out of pocket. But I would grab more of these to make it free to go down lower. I would grab these to go down lower. I'll grab this because it's a freebie, and I'll grab those, okay? So let me show you what I grabbed today. After I did my scenario video, I grabbed the Welchers, the 3 Pantenes, one of these, which was $1.65, so they went up to $1.50, and I'll grab 2 boxes of these, okay? When all of that came off, guess what, guys? I'm finna show y'all something, and I did it on purpose. They owed me 67 cents. How about that? They owed me 67 cents. I made them pay me this time just for not giving me those coupons. There you go. But listen, guys, I also have some more coupons that I'm going to show you. Is just like freebies you can do, okay? This coupon run out on the 7th. It is a freebie to this, okay? This is for the Tresemme mask. It's that purple and black trial size pack. These connect. They are $2. This $2 is connecting to it, making them free. The Welchers is giving you overage. These little Welchers right here is giving you overage. This is giving you a $1 overage, okay? This is making the hauls free. We've been getting free cereal for the longest. You could buy boxes, those bags off the dollar aisle, whichever ones you want to buy. If you want to get a big box and make it lower out of pocket, these has been giving us free for the longest, okay? Let's see. And the Russell Stovers, the dollar one, has been giving us overage, okay? So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, hit like, drop me a comment. Hey, you like the video, you don't like the video, you like the scenarios, whatever you want to say, drop it down to me. And also, guys, please make sure you tune in for my coupon insert preview on Saturday, because I have some jewels to drop to you about the November P&G. It is hot. And I think I told you all September P&G, it is actually October P&G that all those P&Gs come out of. I am so sorry. I just thought about that, and I know I said September, but it is October P&G because I have the November P&G, and it is good. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. All of this was free. They owed me money. They owed me money. Bye.